Hi, how would you like to learn how to double the income from your business? Well, I'm going to show you how to do that today. First off, doubling the income. Well, let's see, an easy way is just double the number of customers, right? Well, that is very feasible, but that's not necessarily the easiest way to do it. Let's look at the income formula. Your income is going to be the number of customers you have times the average sale price, average amount that they pay you. Okay, so that's going to give you a rough income. But let's just add one more variable in there. Let's talk about the number of transactions they do in a year. So that's your annual income. So you've got the customers times the number of transactions they do a year, and then you've got the average cost or the average payment that they're making to you. So that becomes your income. So you're looking at your income and you want to double that. Okay, well, since you've got three variables, and you can multiply those variables time each other, you've got a bigger opportunity there. If you raised each one of those 10%, that would actually turn out to be a 33% increase in your income. But let's talk about how to actually double it. So let's go to a graph. If you had, in this particular example, we're saying you got 1,500 customers, you get 2 transactions a year, you get $100 average value, so you wind up with $300,000 income. Let's do just a 30% increase in customers, an little over 18% increase in the number of transactions that they do, and a little over 18% increase in the number or the amount of the value. Now you're up to 600,000. Look at that, from 300,000 to 600,000. So now the question is, can you do a 30% increase on customers plus an 18% on transactions plus an 18% on the value? Yes, you can. Okay, so that's the end of the content. That tells you exactly how you have to go about doing it. Let me give you just a little background on myself. This is the commercial side of it, so if you don't want to listen to the commercial, go ahead, drop off. The whole idea, I worked in major corporations for 30 years, then I went in to be an entrepreneur for 10 years. Well, I ran into trouble in the very first company that I tried doing on my own. And so I had some problems with it, but what had happened is that my wife had breast cancer and she needed more of my time in order to support her. So I spent the time with her. Well, my companies really hurt. I had 2 of them going at the time. And so that really caused a bit of a problem. And so what I've decided to do is I'm going to show you how to move from basically what was a job that I'd created for myself and convert that into a real business. So I'm sharing this knowledge and this information that I learned through all of these years so that you'll learn how to do that. If you want to contact me, my email address is here on the screen, jim@theprofitmaestro.com. If you want to set up a longer call, then we can do that. We can evaluate your business and see what's going on, and that's a bit.ly/clarity-call. So that's what it's all about. I'm glad you spent a little time with me today, and I will be producing more of these. I hope they help. You have a great day. Bye.